This is a love reading for you, Gemini, for November to December. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards to see how's the guidance for you and your love interest. I'm going to do is a heart shape spread where cards for you are on the left and for your partner are on the right. Also, after this video, there's a small reel which is about my tarot shop. I have put in all the services and products that I offer in tarot, and also as a psychic reading, or even if it is rune stone readings, healings. So you want to have a good look at all of them. So there's a small reel, and then I have given the links in the description box for you to book the readings or write to me after reading about the readings. You also want to read my November newsletter. It is made with a lot of love and effort, so you do want to read it, share it with as many people, put it on some social platform. So let us see how's the guidance or reading for you for the month of November to December. So who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges the two of you bring? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you're coming from? And how's overall the guidance for the love reading? So, Gemini, you're feeling on top of the world. There is great love that you are feeling, and you feel you are now with the person you should have always been with, and that this is the person you like to be with forever. The connect is very real, and you are feeling amazing with this romantic and love energy. Some of you are also feeling very, very ready for a wedding. So, and this connection is very real, and whatever you're feeling is very true, because this guidance is telling me that this connection is very real and is almost you are with your soulmate, or this is the person who's meant to be with you forever. So very beautiful guidance here. Who is your partner? Your partner is someone very generous, very giving, helpful, and just this great quality about helping people or doing a lot for people. So your partner doesn't say no to anyone and is very charitable by their nature. He or she may almost have a golden heart. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring, and what is the strength and challenges your partner brings? One of your strengths is you're very intuitive, Gemini. It's almost like you don't get confused who saying what to you, or when good turns bad, or when bad people try to hurt you, which whatever be that instinct, your instincts are very, very correct, and your intuition is very deep. Just by looking at these cards, where I first see this guidance and then I see this, I'm just seeing is that you felt something about your partner intuitively. Something clicked very deep in you, and that is how the love relationship is right now. What is the strength and challenges your partner brings? He or she maybe emotionally can be quite a demanding person, or there is a bit of a age gap here, because I'm seeing is lot of times you need to convince your partner emotionally about lot of things, but he or she does come around, but it's not easy to change your partner's heart so quickly. So you have to make a lot of effort. So he or she doesn't like some people, you have to then put in a lot of effort for them to have a change of heart. So very strong emotionally your partner. How do you see your partner, and how does your partner see you? You're definitely dating someone way younger, Gemini, because I'm seeing here is your partner tends to pick up a fight which has absolutely sometimes no head and tail, no reason for a fight to happen. That's how you see your partner, that he or she just gets into an argument or over a fight over nothing, or that fight also doesn't lead to anything. So you do get upset with your partner about that it's not leading to anything, it is not about anything, but then your partner will just like to have a fight or an argument about that topic. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as amazingly successful, very, very well to do, almost, to the point of being somebody with old money and absolute riches. So, your partner is very smitten with you, with how much love you have from the family and how much money you have with you. So, your partner is quite convinced about, how successful you are and how good life you have. Now, it's quite possible you impressed Gemini, your partner, with a lot of money shower, or giving them a lot of help and support with their maybe career or studies. Now, what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner, and likewise your partner has about you? You do see traveling a lot with this partner, that you are going to travel a lot or visit a lot of places with this partner, and whatever the two of you want, you will get it. So you are completely positive and gung-ho about how the relationship will unfold. Your partner wants a marriage, he or she wants to make this legal, or wants to make this something very solid and strong. So he or she is like, whenever you want to pop the question, he or she is ready. So you do have a marriage card as well, where you are seeking a marriage and your partner is also seeking a marriage, or something even more into the union. So the two of you are almost on the same page, but your partner may want it a little later, Gemini, not right away, because I'm seeing this guidance about marriage, going to a church, getting married in the future date. So your partner may take some time. What is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? In the past, you have had a lot of good times, you've enjoyed life to the hilt. So it's all good, you know how to make friends, how to have a good life, and how to be happy. Your partner has struggled financially a lot in the past, and money was not easy. You see, here is someone struggling with two coins, and then they have way too much that they are now helping and giving out to people. So it's quite possible that being with you, he or she has learned a lot of financial sense. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? This union is going to lead to building a lot of things together, whether it is house, whether it is family, raising a family together, or having your money put in and grow together. So you both are going to be together, and it is telling me that you both have commitment of staying together. So people have also accepted this union in many ways. So the two of you seem to be doing very well, and you both are very, very community or social society oriented people. So you have a lot of friends, and you have a lot of people you deal and engage with. So it's a very beautiful relationship and a union, and it has a lot of promise.